Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video I will tell you and show you how you can find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also sign your comments at the end of this video. So, let's get started. First of all, I recommend that you open your phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you find Messenger. You open Messenger and scroll down a little bit more here. And at the bottom, you'll find this section called Filter Unknown Senders. And it's important that if you have it deactivated, you need to activate it. So, the messaging app itself will detect and filter unknown senders for you. So after that, go to the messaging app. Next, here you'll need to click on Filter. And here next, you will select Unknown Sender. So you open a page with all the senders who have sent you messages that you may not know. And in this way, you can view these messages, delete them, block them, and so on and so forth. That's the simple way you can find hidden text messages on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.